Welcome to the WordPress Ultimate Security channel. In this video, we'll show you how to set up two-factor authentication in WordPress with the Authenticator App feature in Ultimate Security. This feature allows users to add an extra layer of protection to their accounts. This helps prevent unauthorized access to your site, even if someone manages to guess or steal your password. Before you begin, make sure Ultimate Security is installed and activated on your WordPress site. Let's get started. Now we are in the Ultimate Security dashboard. From here, let's hover over the settings at the top navigation menu and choose Login and Authentication. Then click Two-Factor Authentication, and this opens the Two-Factor Authentication Security Overview page. On the left side menu, click on Authenticator Apps. Now, we are on the Settings page. Click the toggle switch next to Authenticator Applications to enable it. Look below at Enable for Roles. This setting lets you choose which users can use this security feature. Let's click the box to see the list. Initially, let's select Administrator and Editor. To easily manage the list, you can use the helpful shortcut buttons. Remove All, which instantly unselects everything. Then, let's use the Select All button to quickly add all user roles at once. Enabling this means these user roles now have the option to set up two-factor authentication on their own profiles. Next, we have Advanced Settings. Let's look at the drop-down menu. It shows two options, but we are keeping the default option. Under XMLRPC requests, let's keep the default option as well. Finally, we see the option Encrypt the database. This action is one way. Encrypt it only when you are ready to permanently store Authenticator keys in the database. Now we have configured the settings. Click Save Changes to apply everything. A confirmation notification appears at the top that the settings are saved successfully. Now that the feature is available for these roles, let's look at how users can configure it from their profiles. On the WordPress sidebar menu, go to Users and click All Users. This page displays all users on this website. You can view their usernames, names, emails, assigned roles, and post counts. Let's walk through exactly what a user experiences when configuring this on their individual profile. Let's look at the admin account first. We will start from the administrator profile. Go to the WordPress Users menu and click Profile. Scroll down until you see the Ultimate Security section. Under Selected Method, click the drop-down box and select Authenticator Application. This loads the setup area with a QR code, a secret private key, and some other settings. For this account, we will use the QR code. Let's click the QR code to make it larger so it is easy to scan. Users can scan this code with an Authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy to link their account. Click outside the image to close the large view. Once the QR code is scanned, the user can verify if it is configured correctly. You can do this by checking the code from your Authenticator app and the code from here to match it. You can refresh the code by clicking the Refresh Code button. If a user ever wants to reset their connection, they can click Reset Private Key. A pop-up asks for confirmation. Let's click Cancel for now to keep it. Click Save Settings. A notification confirms the settings saved successfully. Look below at Reset 2FA Settings. If a user loses access to their 2FA device, an admin can click this button to clear out the old connection so the user can set it up again. Finally, click Update Profile at the bottom. A notification confirms the profile was updated. Now, let's see how another user configures their profile. This time we will configure it for the author. The author can configure this on their account. Go back to the author's WordPress dashboard and click Profile and scroll down to the bottom. Under the Ultimate Security section, click the Selected Method drop-down box and choose Authenticator Application. The QR code and private key appear for the author as well. For this user, instead of scanning the QR code, we will use the private key option. Click the copy button next to it. A notification at the top says the key is copied to the clipboard. You can paste this directly into your Authenticator app to manually link the account. From here, you can cross-match your code if the configuration is done properly, and if the configuration is not done properly, use the Reset Private Key option and configure it again. Now click Save Settings to finalize this user's configuration. A notification confirms it saved successfully. Click Update Profile to complete the profile update. Let's look at the next user. This time, we will configure it for the contributor. From the contributor's WordPress dashboard, navigate to the left side menu and click Profile and scroll down to the bottom. Under the Ultimate Security section, click the Selected Method drop-down and choose Authenticator Application. Let's click the QR code to make it big for easy scanning. When the scan is completed, always check the Authenticator app's code with the current code from here. This is always a best security practice. The private key will always be an alternative option for the configuration. Once everything looks good, click Save Settings to apply it. The notification shows it saved successfully. Click Update Profile to apply all changes on this page. Let's do it for the next user. Now, we will do it for the editor. So, we will jump into the editor account. From the editor's WordPress dashboard, click Profile. Scroll down to find the Ultimate Security area. Click the selected method like we did before and choose Authenticator Application. Let's click the QR code to view it full screen, scan the QR code, and close it. Don't forget to cross-check the app's code from here. Use Private Key as an alternative option and reset the key if needed. Click Save Settings to finish this user's setup. Click Update Profile at the bottom. Eventually, we will configure it for the subscriber. Let's jump into the subscriber's WordPress dashboard and click Profile. Scroll all the way down to the Security section. Click the selected method and choose Authenticator Application. The setup options display on the screen. Let's click the QR code to enlarge it, then scan it with the Authenticator app and close it. Cross-match the code and click Save Settings to secure this user. Finally, click Update Profile at the bottom to complete the change. Now, let's see what a user sees when logging into the site after configuring this security feature. To check this, open a new browser tab and go to the default WordPress login page. We will check the process with the admin account instead of showing all users. First, type the admin's credentials and then click Login. Instead of going straight to the dashboard, Ultimate Security steps in and a new screen appears asking for the extra verification code from your Authenticator app. This stops anyone who might steal your password from getting into your site. Now, type the one-time code from the Authenticator app. Because this code changes every few seconds, it keeps your account highly secure. After entering the code, click the Verify button to continue. The system checks the code, logs you in safely, and opens up the main dashboard. And that's how we can secure the login page by enabling the multi-factor authentication feature. By setting up this feature, your team members can protect their accounts and keep your website safe from unauthorized access. Download Ultimate Security and shield your WordPress site. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress security tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next video.